welcome back to English with Teacher Karol. Today's video is all about a very small word that has a lot of meanings in English, the verb get. You've probably seen or heard it in many different ways. Get up, get a job, get better, get it. But what does it actually mean? Well, today I'm going to explain the most common uses of get with clear examples and situations, so you can really understand and start using them with confidence. Let's go. First, let's talk about get, receive. This is one of the most common meanings of get. For example, I got a gift for my birthday. I received a gift. Did you get my email? She gets a salary every month. You can use get instead of receive in casual conversations. It sounds more natural. Now, you try. Repeat after me. I got a message from my friend. He got a promotion. Very good. Now, another very common use of get is when it means become, a change of state. For example, it's getting cold. It's becoming cold. He got angry when I told him the news. I'm getting tired. She got sick after the trip. And the formula is get plus adjective, become something. Try these with me. I'm getting hungry. She got nervous before the interview. He's getting better every day. Nice job. Now, let's see get as obtain or buy. This use is very common in shopping and everyday conversations. For example, I need to get some milk. I need to buy some milk. She got a new phone. Where did you get that dress? Let's practice. I got tickets for the concert. Can you get some bread at the store? Repeat and pay attention to the context. Here's the tricky part. Phrasal verbs with get. These are combinations of get plus a preposition and the meaning changes. Let's look at a few. Get up. To wake up or stand up. I get up at 7 a.m. Get up. It's time for school. Get along with. To have a good relationship. I get along with my coworkers. Do you get along with your neighbors? Get over. To recover from something. She got over the flu quickly. It took me a while to get over that breakup. Get in, get out. To enter or exit a vehicle. Get in the car. She got out of the taxi. Get by. To survive or manage. I don't earn much, but I get by. Let's repeat some together. Get up. Get along. Get over. Get in, get out, and get by. These expressions are super common. Practice them often. You will see get in a lot of informal expressions and questions like, did you get it? Did you understand? I explained the homework. Did you get it? I don't get it. I don't understand. Why did she say that? I don't get it. Let's get going. Let's start or leave now. It's late. Let's get going. Get lost. Go away. A bit rude? Be careful. Get a life. Stop bothering and do something useful. Funny, right? English uses get everywhere. Now, you've seen many uses of the verb get as receive, become, by in phrasal verbs and expressions. Here's a mini challenge for you. Write a short sentence using get in the comments below. Try to use one of the meanings or expressions we learned today. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram, English with Teacher Karol, for more daily tips and fun content. See you in the next video. Bye!